Assalamu alaikum, my amazing student. Are you ready for math? Great. Okay, so today we are going to continue with time to 5-minute intervals. Today is Sunday, May 18th, 2020. Let's take a look at this problem that we have right here. We're gonna try and answer it quickly. It says Julian runs a lap every 5 minutes. She starts running at 9:10. If she runs 5 laps, at what time will Jolene finish? Draw the hands on the clock to represent the time. Now here is already the answer. The answer is 9:35. But how? I want to understand how. Alright, so she starts running. Let's find out what we know first. She runs a lap every 5 minutes. She starts running at 9 and 10. And if she runs 5 laps, at what time will Jolene finish? This is what we need to find out. At what time will she finish? Alright, so that's the information we know. Let's try to solve it. So she starts at 9:10. And to say 10 minutes, we have to be here. Let's see. This is 0 minutes. 5, 10. So she starts at 9:10. If she runs 5 laps, at what time will Jolene finish? That means we have to skip count 5 times so that we can know. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it ends at on 7. But why is it 35? Why is it 35? Let's go back. We start from 0 and we start to skip count by 5s. We will reach number 7 and see how many minutes. Let's do it together. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is why the time is 9:35. Julian finishes running laps at 9:35. By the end of this lesson, you're gonna be able to say, I can skip count by 5s to tell time. But first, let's do a short mental math. You have to first circle the smallest number out of these 3, which is the smallest. Circle it. And out of these 3, which one is the biggest? Fast, come on. You've done it. Let's check our answers. Which is the smaller number? The smallest one is 8. And here, circle the biggest. Which one is the biggest? Is it 15? No. Is it 9? Is it 18? Yes, 18 is the biggest number. So here's a review of what we have been learning about telling time. So here is skip counting by 5s, starting from 40. So here is 40. The minute hand is showing 40, which is on the 8. We move it to the 9, that means it's 45, 50, 55. So always remember to skip count by 5s when we are telling time. Now you can go and watch these videos. Pause my video. Go watch them. You can find the link on the description below, or you can copy and paste them from your PowerPoint. Go watch them and then come back to this lesson. Here is the problem of the day. It says, if the hour hand is close to the 11 and the minute hand is pointing to the 10, what time is it? First, always remember when we do a problem solving, we have to do 3 steps. Understand, plan, and solve. Understand means we have to underline what we know and circle what we need to find. We need to plan how to solve this, and then at the end we solve it. Now it says it's close to the hour hand, so the hour hand is the short hand, usually in red. It's close to 11, but it didn't say it's on 11, it's close to the 11. And the minute hand, which is the long one, is on the 10. It's pointing to the 10. So now we know if we skip count that if we are on number 10, it means it's 50. Let's just double check. If we point at 12, that means 0. Let's skip count again. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So when the minute hand is on 10, that means it is 50 minutes. So the time is 10 and 50 minutes. Now here we have the options. The task options, let's go ahead and do them together. Here, we have the first task. Open your book. I hope you have it ready. You guys have to know that when we are doing math, you must have your math book out and your pencil and eraser. Your stationery is ready, right? I hope you guys have it ready. If you don't, go get it and come back to the lesson. Now, open page 621 of your math book, volume 2. And you need to do this page. Write your dates on top of the page. Do it and pause the video while you do it. And then come back to check the answers. Come on, pause the video. Here is the answer key. So let's see. The first problem we have, number 5. That clock is, the analog clock is showing 3:50. Number 6 is 6:15. 7 is 2:45. Here is the opposite way. We had to draw the hands to show the time. So the short hand or the hour hand should be near to the 6, and the long hand or minute hand on the 9 to show 45. 12:35. Again, the short hand should be between 12 and 1, and the long hand or minute hand on the 7 to show 35. You still have problem doing this, you must skip count until you reach to your answer. Okay, even if it takes longer time, no problem. You can just do it and take all the time you need. Now, are you done? If you're not done, stop the video, finish checking your answers, and then let's continue. Do task number 2. And here we have task number 2. For task number 2, you need to solve page 622. Alright, we have 2 problems, and you guys have to use your brain, just like it says over here, brain builders. That means you need to use your brain, guys. Think, think, think. We like to think a lot in our class, right? Okay, so let's pay attention. I'm gonna read for you. I'm gonna give you some time to do it by yourself. Alright? Ready? Yes. Alright, number 15 says, a group of people get on an amusement park ride every 5 minutes. It is now 3 o'clock. This is 3 o'clock. There are 7 groups ahead of Alisa and her family. What time will her family go on the ride? Right? So understand, plan, and solve. It is now 3 o'clock. After 7 groups, what time will it be? Okay, no more hints. Number 16. It takes 20 minutes to watch the movie previews. The previews start at 7 o'clock. What time will the movie start? So this is the time, it is 7, and you're watching the previews, the thing that we really don't like when we go to the movies, because you know what happens to me when I go to watch a movie to the cinema, and I get my nachos and my popcorn, and then I have to watch the previews, and I finish all my food before the movie even starts. Oh my god. Anyway, so it takes 20 minutes to watch the movie previews. So what time will the movie start if you are there at 7? Think, think, think. Pause this video and answer your questions. Then we'll check the answers together. And here are the answers. For the first one, it is 3:35 because we skip count 7 times from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We skip counted 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reached to 3:35. Now here, it takes 20 minutes to watch the movie previews. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. 20 minutes. Where is 20 minutes? It is right here. So 7 and 20 minutes. This one is very easy, guys. For closure, a train leaves at 10:40. Which clock shows 10:40? Got it? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? This shows 40, but be careful. Is it 10:40? Because there is 40 here as well. This is still the 9, so it's not this one. Correct answer is 10:40. Thank you guys for today's lesson. You guys did amazing. And bye bye.